So, in the previous session, we have understood about the proteins, right? You all have an idea that what are proteins and why it is necessary to have the proteins to our body. So let us now understand about the next component of the food, that is fats. When I talk about fats, do you think the fats are very important to your body? Do we need to have fats to our body? Is it important? Yes, it is important because as how we are taking proteins, carbohydrates to our body, similarly the fats also plays a very important or the major role in our body. Because why we have to take the fats? Why? Because the fats also provides energy. What it provides? It provides the energy. Fats provides the energy. Now let us understand some of the sources where we get the fats from. Some of the sources are cheese, butter, and then ghee, oils, some other things. For example, when you take excess amount of the dry fruits like almonds, cashew, there also we have fat because it is also an oil product. We get almond oil from almonds, right? We get cashew, it is also having lot amount of fat. So we also have fat in it, but taking a limited quantity of these things will not affect your body. In spite, if you take more amount of this, it also convert as a fat in our body. Okay, so now these are some of the sources for the fats. Now what you have to understand here, children, as I told you, the fats gives energy to our body. It is not that we have to take more amount of fat that as it is giving energy. Suppose if the person takes excess amount of fat, that means more amount of fat to her body or his body, what happens is he will become obese. What does mean by obese then? Obese means increasing in his weight. That means he will put on more weight because as he is taking more fat things, that is the thing which contain fats, he'll increase by his weight. Okay, so it is not that as the fats are giving energy, it is not that we have to take more amount of fats. Instead, we have to take the fats because it is important to include in our diet. Okay, and one more thing I would also like to tell you that where the fats are present in our body, the fats are stored under our skin. It is stored under our skin. It is present in our liver. It is present in the kidneys. Okay, it is stored in some other places like around the heart. Okay, so there are so many other places as well where the fats are present. Suppose as I told you that excess amount of fat is present in our body, then the fat get stored in the blood also. Then it will be a problem for the particular person who is having more fat. Okay, so it is very important that you have to include the fats to your diet but not in an excessive amount. Fats are giving energy to our body. Suppose if you are starving means suppose if you are not having sufficient amount of food in the morning, by the time afternoon what happen, you feel hungry. Okay, so during that time what happen, you feel like starving. So during that time what happen, the fat which is stored under your skin or inside your body will provide energy to you. So that what happen, for certain period of time or for some time you can be without food. Okay, that is an advantage that why the fats are storing in the body. Okay, hope you understood why fat is very important. In my next session, I will explain another component of the food, children. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.